Mars has always been a constant point of discussion for space explorers around the world. We've sent dozens of spacecraft there to study it, but a few people also want astronauts to land on it. The planet is just far away to make that dream possible, but not far enough to spark our imagination. In this video, let's learn 13 amazing and unbelievable facts about Mars and explore the red planet beyond the dimensions of geography books. Number 1. Mars and Earth have approximately the same landmass. Even though Mars has only 15% of the Earth's volume and just over 10% of the Earth's mass, the landmass of both the planets is almost same. Do you know why? Because 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in water, while this isn't the case on Mars. Number 2. Did you know you can jump 3 times higher on Mars than you do here? This is because the surface gravity on Mars is only 37% as compared to Earth. So you can actually leap nearly 3 times higher on Mars. Well, we'd all be long jumpers there. Number 3. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the entire solar system. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. That is a little lesser than 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest. Despite being formed over billions of years ago, evidence from volcanic lava flows is so recent that many scientists believe it could still be active. Number 4. There are signs of liquid water on Mars. For years Mars has been known to have water in the form of ice. Due to Mars' atmosphere, this water would have to be salty to prevent it from freezing or vaporizing. Though satellite images have not yet given any conducive evidence, you never know with certainty what it could turn out to be, especially with Elon Musk's targeted Mars missions. Number 5. One day Mars will have a ring. Yes, just like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Mars will have a ring too. In the next 20 to 40 million years, Mars' largest moon, Phobos, will be torn apart by gravitational forces, leading to the creation of a ring that could last up to 100 million years. Number 6. Sunsets on Mars are blue. Yes, in fact, during the day the sky on Mars is pinkish red. Just imagine the mesmerizing beauty of sunsets and sunrise on that planet. Number 7. Mars experiences huge dust storms, which are the largest in our solar system. This is due to the elliptical shape of the planet's orbit path around the Sun. The orbit path is more elongated than many of the other planets, and this oval-shaped orbit results in fierce dust storms that cover the entire planet and can last for many months. Number 8. Except Earth, Mars is the only habitable planet in the solar system. A number of space missions have been planned for the next decade to further increase our understanding of Mars. It is to study whether the planet has potential for extraterrestrial life or if it could be a viable planet for a colony. Number 9. Mars's moons made a debut in literature much before they were discovered. You will be shocked to learn that the 2 moons of Mars, which is Phobos and Deimos, were written about in the book Gulliver's Travels by author Jonathan Swift, 151 years before they were even discovered. That's unbelievable. Number 10. A day on Mars is almost same as that of Earth, while a year is much longer. A day on Mars lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes, but 1 year is 687 days long. Well, that's 1.9 Earth years. This is because Mars is further away from the Sun, so it takes longer to orbit it. Number 11. Have you ever wondered how the red planet got its signature red color? Well, it's actually because Mars is covered in a layer of rust, or as scientists call it, iron oxide. The reason that Earth isn't covered in rust is because, in the early stages of Earth's development, the planet actually reached temperatures that were high enough to melt the iron oxide into molten iron. Well, Mars was just too cool for the same. Number 12. In 1997, NASA was sued by 3 men for invading Mars. Yes, 3 men from Yemen accused the agency of invading Mars in 1997. They claimed that they had inherited the planet from their ancestors 3,000 years ago, and even presented documents which they said proved their claim. Number 13. On Mars, the Sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. Since Mars is 1.5 times farther from the Sun than Earth is, the Sun appears correspondingly smaller in the planet's dusty sky. That was all about Mars for you. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Explified.